Let's cook! The kids call this rice and worms, rice and vermicelli, based on a Lebanese recipe inherited from a distant Middle Eastern relative. Ingredients are all things that keep well on a boat or RV without a fridge. Let's start by soaking some dried peas to add color. Let them sit about 10 minutes. We'll use bottled water because we don't trust marina water. A half cup of rice and a full cup of water is usually good for 2 servings. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Soaking the rice before cooking makes it less sticky. The original recipe called for vermicelli, mispronounced by the kids as worms, hence the name, but any thin noodle will do. Break up the noodles into small pieces. Two or 3 packets of chicken bouillon powder provide flavor but are high in sodium. Use low sodium versions if available. Add a bit of water for now. We'll add the soaking water later so as not to waste it. We'll fry the noodles to start. Here we're using olive oil because it keeps, but butter works well and adds a bit of nice taste. Heat the oil for a few seconds on high. Add the noodles and stir. Watch that they don't get too dark because they do get bitter. There are a few overdone ones here. Pour the extra soaking water from the rice into the bouillon and possibly add a bit more water to make a cup. Add the drained rice and let it absorb some of the oil. Add the bouillon, stir, cover, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Add the peas and let them simmer for another 2 minutes, adding a bit of water if the rice becomes too dry. Serve. Add protein as you wish. Here we have a few canned cocktail shrimps. Enjoy!